Zenit is a startup company that produces components for optics and photonics. And thanks to the process that we use, which has a very high flexibility in terms of geometries and also of the composition of the components, we can offer components that no one else can for different applications, including lasers. We started as researchers of the CNR, of the National Research Council, but then came COVID and we had to abandon the laboratory, and we had more time to think about the applications and the possibilities for the market or for the use of our technology in different markets. And along with patenting the technology that uses additive manufacturing, we saw that this is actually something that is worth following and bringing towards making a company. And that's where we are now. Our main product line focuses on the development and production of components that are mounted or used in more particularly in industrial lasers, but also lasers for applications in the medicine and our industries. And what we do is we offer components that give you a higher efficiency. That is, you can have a higher performance of your laser device. And we also offer a much higher flexibility in terms of the shape and the internal structure of these components. So we practically untie the hands of the people in the R&D who can then make better lasers with a higher efficiency and thus lower working costs, and possibly also lower costs of production of the laser system itself. We do have contacts with different companies, both from Italy and mostly from Europe, but not just from Europe. And just really these days we're about to sign one contract for the development of components for one of these European companies. Currently the production and let's say R&D together is done partly in the laboratories of CNR in Faenza and partly in the lab that's offered to us by our industrial partner in Austria. But within, let's say, a few months, we foresee with the new round of investments to move the production and also to be able to physically divide the production and R&D part. And we'll be moving to the area of CNR in Bologna, which is not that far, but this will offer us the possibility to have all the equipment we need in one place and really go for, say, industrial production and not just, let's say, still the researcher way of doing things. In terms of sustainability and being more green, we have a great advantage in our production process, which is based on additive manufacturing. This means that we have much less scrap compared to other production processes, and so we use less materials. And at the same time, since we can produce components with, let's say, multi-material structure all in one piece, we can skip different steps that require energy, material and time for producing the component that our customer needs. And at the same time, our customer then uses less material, for example, for the production of the cooling system because they use components with a higher efficiency. So I guess we're green. In 5 years' time, I would say we will still be in Zenit, but Zenit will not be what it's now, a small startup, because I believe the future for lasers, photonics, and not only, but also for other markets is bright, and there is really potential to grow. And of course, in that case, Zenit will grow as well, because we can offer really a wide range of solutions. So yeah, we'll be in Zenit, and it's going to be good. It's going to be very good.